Okay, so this is just a quick little screencast, just reminding you of a couple of things about details in your essay. We already went over this when we talked about so what and the 7 common moves, but I wanted to take just a couple of minutes and just remind you a couple of things about details. So, when 7 common moves, we talked about details being the beef and the burger. It's important that they're interesting and they're plentiful, but they're never excessive. A paper that has way too many details is overwhelming for your reader. So, choosing your details is a deliberate move that you make. We talked in our journal entries about selecting and presenting the very best of the details that are specifically chosen to cause the readers to react the way that you want them to. We talked about balancing that showing and telling. Telling is just summarizing, but showing them through your other description, leading them to see things and hear things and visualize things for themselves. That's what you want to aim to strike a balance between using the 5 senses, those sensory terms. And I think in journal entry number 2, I had you guys kind of infusing your sensory details into your description. So you want to aim for that. So just remember when you're writing, especially in your editing process, that you are culling out details that don't connect. There should never be a detail if you put your finger on it, like we did in Normandy Beachhead. If you put your finger on it and it doesn't fit, and you can't see the paper without it, um, it can be left out. So, if you are just very careful in your selection, you aim for that balance between showing and telling. You use your 5 senses. You're interesting, you're plentiful, but never excessive. Be economical in your details. Then your paper will end up being stronger as a result.